Today I'll be installing some new wheels on my Volvo S80. I found some decent wheels scrolling through Facebook Marketplace. Then I met the seller at a Walmart so I didn't get robbed. I ended up picking up these wheels for 300 bucks. These are some 17x8 Maxim alloy wheels, which is a downsize from my previous 18-inch wheels. The reasoning is because I live in a city where the roads look like this, and I have gotten 3 sidewall bubbles from potholes. To go along with these wheels, I picked up some gently used all-season tires from Marketplace again for 250 bucks. I got 225x50, so it should be a lot more comfortable of a ride. Always inspect used tires, and especially the outside and the inside. And don't forget to make sure you get the right load rating as well. Since I don't own a tire machine, I had to bring it to a local tire shop to get them mounted, and here are the complete wheels after a quick rinse. There's some scuffs, but that's fine because my car has a lot of scuffs. But now let's get these wheels mounted.
Some days are fucked and cannot be unfucked. When you have a day that is fucked beyond repair, that is the universe speaking to you.
If you can't already tell what just happened, I basically just f***ed up. But whatever, I'll just tighten the last bolt and call it a day.
Please tell me what's going on. Can you talk? Can you tell me what's going on?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Are you okay? Because you don't look okay. Are you in any pain right now?
We can barely get out.
I just want to tell anyone watching this to not be like me. Go buy and use a torque wrench for your wheels. Or you're gonna have to do what I'm about to do. I grabbed my impact driver, pulled on that wheel as hard as I could, and then...
Oh, I got one. Yeah, you can see where it messed up.
Then I did this again for the other one.
Got it, let's go.
After inspecting the bolts and threads, this was actually savable. I picked up a tap and die set along with some new bolts. Slowly and gently re-tapped the threads with some gear oil, and now they looked as good as new. My mistake turned putting on new wheels from a 1-hour job to a 2-day job. But look, I bought a torque wrench and tightened those lugs the right way. Now I can finally show you the reveal. Let me know what you guys think of my new wheels. I think they look pretty good, especially for the price. If you disliked this video, I understand, but if you did like this video, consider subscribing as I'm so close to 100,000 subscribers, and stay tuned for the next video on my hoopty.